So with 5.5mm hook, I'm starting with the first color. I will leave a long tail and I will make a slip knot. I'm gonna chain 2, and I will make 3 double crochet in the second chain from the hook. 3 double crochet. I will keep the last loop loose and I will insert the next color. Again with a long thread left, I'm gonna insert the color in the first loop where I worked the initial double crochet. I'm gonna pull the yarn through, chain 1, and again 3 double crochet in the loop. 1, 2, and 3, and leave a loose loop. We'll insert the third color the same way. And chain 1, and again 3 double crochet. Again loosen the thread, and I'm gonna insert my last color. The exact same way, pull the yarn through, chain 1, and again 3 double crochet. So total of 12 double crochet with all colors combined. Okay, loosen the yarn. Now what we're gonna do before we go any further, we're gonna tighten the loose ends so they don't open later on. So 1, 2, and 3. So we can tighten them together with a double knot so they stay in place. And the 2 others, the pink and orange. And now this is what you get as the first round. Now what we're gonna do, so we have the initial, which, okay, this is the last one. So this is the initial color. I've got 3 double crochet. Now what I'm gonna do in the next color is 2 double crochet in every stitch. So 3 double crochet, 2 double crochet in every stitch. I will have 6 double crochet total. So this is the very first double crochet. Insert the hook and work 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Into the next one, 3 and 4, into the next one, the last one, 5 and 6. Okay, and this is how it's progressing. Now I'll take the orange color and do exactly the same. 2 double crochet in every stitch to make it 6 stitches in the next color, which is pink. So 1 double crochet, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 2. Need to go very slowly with this pattern because the yarn might get tangled later on, so to avoid that. And this is again the progression. Now with the pink one, oops, we'll go on to the beige. Same, 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And the last color, which is beige. We'll work it onto the brown. Same story, 6 double crochet, 2 double crochet in every stitch to obtain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you need to be counting in this pattern so you get the numbers right. Now we'll come back to the brown now and we will continue. So one thing you need to know, the increase of the spiral round is the same when you do a flat circle. The flat circle, for example, you start with 6 double crochet in the first round. The second round you have 12 double crochet, which is 2 double crochet in a stitch. Then the third round you do 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the following stitch, and you repeat. And the fourth row you do 2 double crochet in one stitch and 1 double crochet in the following 2 stitches. It's the same in this pattern, exactly the same. So here we started with 3 double crochet, then the second part we made 2 double crochet in every stitch, we ended with 6. Now we're gonna do 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the following stitch. We'll get 9 total double crochet. So I'll show you. So 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the following stitch, and we repeat 2 double crochet, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. And this is 9 double crochet till the end of this part of the orange. And the same thing I'm going to repeat with the orange. 9 double crochet into the pink means 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the following stitch. You'll find the written pattern linked in the description box with more rounds to go, so it is easy for you to do whichever project you like. And here is the 9th double crochet. And we take the pink and we do the same. Two double crochet, one double crochet, 2, 1, 2, and 1. And onto the yellow one, 2 double crochet, 1 into the next one, 2 in the following one. And pull. And this is how it looks so far. So as I said, we continue now on to the next one. You need to keep counting so you don't make any mistakes. So now we had 9 stitches total. Next you add 9 to 3, that will be 12. So it will be 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the following 2 stitches to reach 12 stitches total in every color. And then the next step will be 2 double crochet in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the following 3 stitches to obtain 15 stitches total, and so on until you get the width required of your project. I'll just show you how to close the spiral once you are done with your work. So you'll go with 1/2 double crochet, another 1/2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and slip stitch in the last stitch. And you repeat the same into the next one. 1/2, another 1/2 in the next stitch, 1 single crochet, another single crochet, and slip stitch. one half, another half, single crochet, another single crochet, and a slip stitch, and the last one, half double crochet, another half double, single and single, and slip stitch. And this is how you get the round spiral circle. You can do any project of your choice with it. It's very pretty, using 2 colors, 3 colors, 4 colors. It's up to you. It is easy. As long as you know how to make a flat circle, you can follow along and make your spiral round or circle. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.